Hello everyone, Professor Helmling here. This is a little bit of an addendum video to my how to use Google Docs in this class video because I realized that I failed to talk about one very important feature of Google Docs in that video. And it's one that we will use together quite a bit in this course. So I just wanted to add this on. Sorry to make you watch two videos, but it's a lot easier to do this than go back and edit the first one. So I talked about a lot of features of Google Docs and how we'll use them in that video, but the one I forgot was comments. Now, this is your portfolio, or this is a sample of what your portfolio for the class might look like, or, depending on the class, you might be using separate Google Docs for me. But whatever Google Docs you're in, your writing will go in here. And I want that to be very much your writing, but I am going to be communicating with you about it. So the feature that we will use to talk about the content of your essays or anything else that goes in portfolios is the comment feature. So there's a couple different ways you can get to it. You see here's the comment button up here. And so wherever I put the cursor, if I click that comment button, it's going to create a comment in the margin here on whatever I selected. So I could say something like, why didn't you write this out instead of just using the number? So there I've asked a question. And then I'm going to put it into the document there as an example. Now, you then can come along later and you will see these comments and you'll be able to reply to them. And you'll say something like, that's kind of a dumb question. Don't really say that. That would be mean. You'll hurt my feelings. But that's exactly how it works there, is that we can have a back and forth conversation in the margins of the document, not in your document itself. So that is the comment feature that, like I said, is also very important for the way that we're going to use Google Docs to communicate. So anytime during the course you hear me say, I may ask you questions about your work in the Google Docs, this is where those questions will be. They will be in the comments, in the margins. By the way, you can also add comments. If you see out here on the side, this little button floats. That's another way to add the comments. Same function, they'll look just the same. So I just wanted to add that quick addendum to make sure that I did familiarize you with how comments work in Google Docs, because we will use them to talk to each other and have conversations about your work quite a bit. So thanks very much.